BTS. This is BTS Control monitoring Channel 16. All vessel in the vicinity, please report your position, course, and speed.
BTS. This is MV Pelican, approximately 5 nautical miles east of the Amber's Light. Course 270 degrees. Speed 12 knots. Visibility is reduced to less than 1 miles due to fog.
MV Pelican, BTS received. We acknowledge your report. Maintain your course speed for now. We are monitoring your position. There's a large container vessel, the Ocean Giant, approaching from the opposite direction.
VTS, MV Pelican understood. We are monitoring our radar.
MV Pelican, the Ocean Giant is currently on a course of 0090 degree, speed 15 knots. To ensure safe passage, we advise you to adjust your course slightly to 260 degree.
VTS, MV Pelican, we are adjusting our course to 260 degrees. Confirm.
MV Pelican, course adjustment confirmed. We are monitoring both vessels. Please maintain vigilance and report any changes in your situation.
VTS, MV Pelican, course 260 degrees. Maintain visibility remains poor.
MV Pelican, acknowledge. We are continuing to monitor the situation. If visibility improves, we will advise you maintain a close watch on your radar.
VTS, MV Pelican understood.
MV Pelican, we are observing a slight shift in the wind. Expect a possible increase in the fog density. Maintain your course and speed, but be prepared for a possible further courses adjustment if necessary.
VTS, MV Pelican understood. We are prepared for further instruction.
MV Pelican, VTS out.